MSC Cruises typically features the MSC Area Spa across its fleet, known for its Balinese theme with a soothing and tranquil ambience. The spa on MSC World Europa was likely to continue this tradition, but with added enhancements and a modern twist to complement the ship's futuristic design. The spa was expected to offer a comprehensive menu of services, including massages, facials, body treatments, and beauty services. These treatments often incorporate natural and high-quality ingredients designed to relax and rejuvenate guests. Thermal Area. A staple of MSC spas, the thermal area usually includes facilities such as saunas, steam rooms, and a thalassotherapy pool. These areas are designed for relaxation and improving health and well-being through heat therapies. Given the ship's emphasis on technology, the spa was likely to incorporate advanced wellness technologies. This could include options like sensory showers, salt rooms, or even snow rooms, enhancing the traditional spa experience with modern innovations.
Dale, mira para acá.
That's it for today's video, folks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Stay tuned for our next episodes. Until then, take care and see you soon.